Good morning. What time do you open at?
11.
11 o'clock?
Yeah.
I'm just walking by. I'm really hungry.
Nothing is ready. It's almost there, but not yet.
Dang.
Quite.
I have class in like 30 minutes, and I was just seeing if I could get
What you wanted?
anything. Can I get anything?
All right, come.
But I don't have my wallet on me right now.
Okay, come back and pay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
A large joy chicken I'm gonna give you.
Thank you.
When you come, just tell the girls and they'll bring it in.
Are you sure?
Positive. Don't worry. 100%.
How many years have you been here for?
Almost 10. 9.
And what's your favorite part of owning your own restaurant?
Peace of mind.
What do you mean?
Like I have nobody to look up to beside myself.
That's good. What was your name again?
Barbara.
Barbara?
So, yeah, so let me tell you, I used to work at the Windsor Raceway.
Okay.
And I used to so stressed because I was the only black girl in my department and they treat me so rough, but I wanted was to learn. Because when I started, I knew I can cook Jamaican, but I wanted to cook Canadian too. And I spent almost 10 years there, right? And I told them every time there's a problem, I say, one day I'm gonna own my restaurant. And I have all the girls that I worked with before coming here and say, I'm wishing just like you because you wish for so many years and here you are right now. So that's why I treat people real good because I remember I was in a bad position at work one time when I was lonely. I had to sit in my car and eat, you know, like, and this is a peace of mind. Don't care how sad am I, don't care what's on my mind when I'm ready to cook.
Thank you so much. You made my entire day, Barbara. I love you.
You know, I know with males, a lot of people don't give males hug or they don't look out for them. They think they're strong, but no.
I have a question for you. Do you believe in paying it forward?
Like
Like how you helped me, then helping the next person, like karma?
Yeah, I believe in that. They called me yesterday and told me that there's a guy in here was hungry. I said, that's the last thing I want to hear. Because when you eat it, you pull it out back. I said, please give him some food. I believe in that. All of them knew that.
Wait one sec. Actually, the first person who was going to help me, I wanted to bless you today, Barbara.
When you come back.
No.
When you come back. When you come
I have my wallet right here.
Yeah.
Hold on. I actually have something for you because you're always so amazing to me. $1,000.
For real?
$1,000 for you.
True.
Because you're the kindest chef I've ever met.
Oh, Steve! No.
I love you. Give me a hug. I'm serious. I love you.
Thank you.
No problem.
You made my day.